What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today is an absolutely exciting day for me because why? It's because I'm taking my FJ to Robson Brothers and giving the keys off to Joel so then he can do basically a heart transplant on my beloved FJ Cruiser. Now let's get going. Let's get down there and let's talk to Joel. Let's see what the whole plan is. Alright guys, guess what? I'm here with Joel and he is the man of the hour when it comes to putting anything in your motor, into the engine, anything to do with servicing. This is the guy you want to contact. Alright, so the FJ is here. We're up here at Robson Brothers. So Joel, what's happening, man? What are we doing? What's the exciting news?
Well, after you've cooked the motor...
I didn't cook the motor.
We're putting the Recon motor in, so brand new spanking Recon motor. And then from there, we're getting the Raptor Supercharger kit going on. So, we get a few more horsepower out of it.
That's it, guys. So you can tell, I am super excited. Like you can see me in the car, I haven't driven this car in over 6 to 8 months. I'm just too worried. I want to baby this thing. I absolutely love it. So Joel's going to do the works on the engine and he's going to send it off, get a new brand new Recon. Tim from Raptor Tuner, he's Raptor Superchargers, I should say. He's bringing a brand new Raptor Supercharger kit over here, and the only people that I trust to do this job is Joel. Robson Brothers, the guys here, the techs here are perfect for the job, all right? So let's get started.
Let's work some magic.
Let's go. All right, Joel, time has come. Oh.
Hand it over.
All right, I trust you, mate. Let's do this thing.
We'll get this all played.
I have to say, when you go into a workshop and you see a whole bunch of four-wheel drives surrounding the workshop, you know you're in the right place to get the work done. Look at all this. There's another FJ. Only trust the boys of Robson Brothers. Peace.